Hey everyone, it's Bob again. Apparently it's a slow week, so we're just kind of piddling around with a couple little things. So it doesn't look like we're going to have anything for this week. With that in mind, okay, I got to come up with something for videos. As it is, I ain't got nothing. I've run out of stuff. So what we're going to do, I've got a lot of videos that I've put out over the last almost 2 years. And looking at my analytics for the channel, there's a lot of them nobody's really watched, and I thought they're pretty good videos. So I mean, some fun stuff that I've done. So I'm going to highlight a few of them and encourage everybody to kind of go back and kind of go through some of the older stuff that I've put out, because they're pretty good standalone videos. And I've got a few put together on playlist of a bunch of things that are related, or had a couple of series videos like the river run and things like that. So I'm going to highlight a few of those and encourage you guys, since there's nothing going on this week, go back and watch some of my old stuff, because I think they're pretty good. But you know, maybe the reason nobody's watching them is they aren't any good. So you be the judge. Go back and watch a couple of them. Okay, the first video that we've got is number 16. It was way back. It was one of the first crane moves we did. And it was just a short one from Salt Lake down to Mill Creek, which is maybe 15 miles away. It was from a tower building they just finished in Salt Lake, so we had to go back and forth a couple of times. They couldn't take it down when it was too windy, and then we ended up having to come back the next day to actually do it because they shut us down. Okay, the second video was a trip that I went out to the bay. Out to a job called Oyster Point. And there's several videos of me going to that job. They did several buildings in that area, and this particular trip I was hauling out a column. They thought they had it out there, but they had taken the wrong one out, and so I had to rush out there with another one, with the correct one, and then I just loaded the wrong one and brought it back. But I got inspected on that one. Okay, third video was we did another crane move, and it was right after the 4th of July. We spent a day up there just loading all the trailers and getting them ready to go, like on Friday. And they wanted us down there Monday morning to get unloaded. second part was we had like 9 trucks and they all went over and got unloaded. They were building an addition onto one of the hospitals down there. So that was kind of fun. The fourth section it's not just one video. I've put together a few playlists of things, and this one, these all came from the river run that we went on last summer. And some of you may have watched a part of it, but the playlist has all the videos that all the participants and even some of the spectators took. I tried to find all that I could and put them all together in a playlist. But I had three videos of me between the preparation and getting the Wave Runner all going again. It took 3 videos and then the actual river trip, so that was kind of a fun trip.
Keep going.
Some of the other participants had a lot more cameras running, and so you can go to the playlist and watch some of theirs to get their view, but anyway, that was a fun series, so gotta go back and watch that one. Okay, I also, last spring, we ended up, I got sent back to Tennessee. I had to split them up on the trip out and then the trip back, and then a couple of weeks later I ended up doing it again. Those were kind of fun because I usually don't do long trips. We generally are just Western United States, but it was kind of fun because I got to do something that we don't usually do. And I got to see different places, but it brings up different problems. So that would be a fun one to watch if you know, just because it's so out of the ordinary for what we do. So stop by here and visit my brother and his
Hi,
shop.
I'm the brother.
That's-
Over at Pest Control Guys.
Yeah, that's Ben, and Ryan here is a partner in crime. Those are some of my favorites. They were fun videos to do. There's a lot of other ones. If you really want to see my learning process on how to do these videos, you could go back to, you know, the first 5 or 6. I wouldn't blame you if you don't, just because I have learned a little bit along the way, and I even think my videos are better now, but you know, than my beginning ones. But if you want a good laugh, go back and watch them. Yeah, go back and watch some of my old stuff, and we are going to be picking up busy again. I've already heard of some of the stuff coming up, so yeah, after the first of the year we'll be busy again, and so there'll be more videos coming out of new stuff. But go ahead and watch some of the old once in a while. I appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate the comments, and I do read all of them. Anyway, that'll do it for this video, so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.